In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use email by Zapier to send yourself updates. By the end, you'll have a simple automation that emails you whenever something important happens in your apps, so you don't have to keep checking dashboards or spreadsheets. We'll start by setting up your trigger, which is the event that kicks off the update. Think about the moment you want to be notified. It might be when a new lead is added to your CRM, when a new row appears in a spreadsheet, or even when a specific weather forecast occurs. In the Zap editor, choose the app and event that reflect that moment. Make sure the example data from your trigger looks right, because whatever fields you see here are the ones you'll be able to include in your email later. Clear, reliable trigger data makes your updates far more useful. Next, add the email step that will actually send you the update. In the editor, click the plus button to add an action. Search for email by Zapier, select it, and choose send outbound email as the event. This built-in email service is perfect for quick automated messages to yourself because it doesn't require setting up a separate mail provider. Click Continue to move into the setup. Now configure your update email so it's easy to read and useful at a glance. In the To field, enter the email address where you want to receive these updates. For the subject, write something clear and scannable. You can insert fields from your trigger like a name, an ID, or a date so the subject tells you exactly what happened without opening the message. For example, you could write new lead followed by the contact's name, or new row added with the sheet title and timestamp. In the body, draft a short message that answers the what, who, and when. Use the plus icon or type a / to pull in dynamic data from your trigger, such as names, amounts, links, statuses, or timestamps. Put the most important detail in the first line for quick reading on mobile. If your trigger includes long notes, consider placing them at the bottom so the summary stays tight. Keep formatting simple and consistent so you can scan these emails quickly. Optionally, set a from name to label these messages in your inbox. Pick something distinctive so you can filter them easily. Once everything looks good, your setup is complete. From now on, every time your trigger fires, you'll receive a clear, timely email with the exact details you chose.